Get your foot on a box and you're going to keep your knee bent. So you're going to bend forward from the hips and you're going to push your butt back to get that. You're not going to roll in the upper back to reach. It's really coming from that hip and from the glutes pushing backwards. The first contraction is pushing your foot into the box, and the second one is lifting it up. But because we're bent forward, you're actually not going to be moving. So we're starting pressing your foot down in an isometric hold. Continuing to press with that heel into the box for that full 15 seconds. You're going to now bring the foot up towards your chest. So the leg goes towards your chest, but again, it's an isometric, so no movement, contraction. Continue to lengthen out of the head and pushing your glutes back. Now we're going to push down. Release, and now bringing the foot, thigh, and leg towards the chest. Ramping up over that first 5 seconds and holding for the last 10. Now relaxing and pushing down towards the box for our last round. Ramping up to your maximal contraction, extending out of the head. And now pushing your thigh, leg, and foot towards your chest. Continuing to breathe. Now we're going to relax and set up if you need to go a little bit deeper for our 30-second stretch. As always, you can hold it a little bit longer if you'd like, 60 seconds, 90 seconds. Remember that your whole body participates in this stretch. So relax your shoulders and your neck. And there you go, and you're going to do the other side.